Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over, does Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra support eSIM? So the big answer is yes, it does fully support eSIM, and in fact, because it is an LTE only premium device, it relies entirely on an embedded SIM card, which is eSIM. So you just go ahead and navigate to the network section, go to connections, and then here what I want you to do is you just go ahead and activate your profile. So make sure it is always on. Right here it says eSIM status. Make sure that it is active. So you activate your profile while the watch holds the physical eSIM hardware inside. It basically downloads your actual carrier network profile directly onto the chip, and that is how you're able to go completely phone free after that. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.